Yeah, I'm a duck, yeah. Quack, 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 I'm a smack your booty, yeah. Boom, right. Hit the bed all day.
Okay, but what is psychology? Well, to be specific, it's considered the study of the mind and behavior. It's how we feel, act, or even function throughout our everyday life. But how did we even get to this level? Well, standing before us, this would be the controversy of nature v nurture. Within such an argument, many psychologists among themselves took different approaches to see whether nature or nurture determine who we are today. With nature, it refers to the heredity, genes, and biological traits we are born with, while nurture refers to the environment one surrounds himself with. They're both drastically different, and people often have unique approaches when seeing which one is more significant to the human psychology. For example, we have some people like Charles Darwin take on an evolutionary perspective in which natural selection shapes us today, as it allows us to pass on successful genes. However, this perspective of success has also led to poor concepts such as eugenics, which describes the belief of improving genetic quality. It also leads to discrimination, as people who are thought to be undesirable are often shunned for themselves in these perspectives. However, some people actually see nature and nurture going hand in hand on developing humans, as seen with epigenetics. It essentially describes how both the environment and behavior of a person lead to gene changes within. Additionally, when questioning nature or nurture, psychologists often take to look into twin studies to discuss the argument. Some psychologists look to study monozygotic twins, which are genetically identical twins from a single split egg. Others, however, seek to explore dizygotic twins, which are twins that are developed from separate fertilized eggs. Either way, though, both results do aid in the research of this continuous argument that's happening today regarding nature or nurture.